So for this week's video then, we've come to the Angel of the North, and this is the walk up to go and see the angel once you get to the parking spot. So as you can see, the angel is situated right next to the southbound carriage of the A1. The road to the left there is the A167 if you want to go and visit, and there's free parking, you can go and see it. So it was a lovely July summer's day when I filmed this. It was a little bit breezy, as you can see the trees moving and some of the other shots that we've got in a minute. And as we pan round behind the angel, you will see the city of Gateshead and Newcastle in the distance. And as the drone pans down now, the angel is 66 feet tall with a wingspan of 177 feet, and it can stand wind speeds of up to 100 miles an hour due to the exoskeleton that's round the body. And the angel has been here, and it was completed in 1998, so nearly 30 years ago. You can see the size of it compared to my kids that are running around at the base of it there. It's a really impressive structure to go and see, and I'd recommend just popping in and seeing it for at least 10-15 minutes if you're passing in the area. So as we fly around from the back to the front under the angel's right hand wing, you'll see that them trees just in front of us there. Now, as we went walking through, this video show a lot of people in the area leave them as memorials to people that have passed away. And it's quite somber walking around this area. It's quite a big area with lots of like fairy trails, and there's lights and there's scarves and flowers that have been left there as a memorial as well. I just thought that was quite interesting. I wasn't expecting that when we came up here, but it's well worth going to look around as well.